Hey, what's up, you tubulous? EXO coming at you here, showing off one of my favorite sound systems on the face of the planet. The beast is back. Loaded up with 6 12-inch subwoofers and a 4th order bandpass, the chances of you seeing Jared at a competition is pretty high. He's got 30,000 watts of Sundown NS2 power, but depending on when you saw it, it may have had 8 10-inch Pro Audio speakers blaring out the back. You never quite know with this guy. And with all that wattage, the battery bank is no joke either. 24 batteries make up this massive 16-volt power plant, which it really needs for all of his upgrades. Just about everywhere you look is a piece of stereo equipment. So let's go ahead and see what my girlfriend has to think about all this. That is so windy.
It is hard to open your eyes.
But my hair was whipping right beside my eyes. It was like whipping my. I already said it. Yeah, I could say it 1,000 times and still feel like fresh meat sitting inside a setup like this. So much bass, so much fun. Something about those lows just really brings out the kid in me. Get your face all tingling, your beard blowing like a rag doll. And it's really nice to see familiar faces year after year just getting louder and louder. How loud do you guys like it? Always a fun time with Mr. Gibson.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Ah, yes, so many good times with this Jeep, and I know, it looks like I'm hating life half the time, sitting there with intermittent looks of dread on my face, but I swear there is no place I would rather be than in the hot seat of a crazy car audio build. And you know what else is nice and loud, guys? These cool new earbuds that Raycon sent over. If you're looking for an affordable pair of earbuds that sound just as good as more expensive ones, then these everyday E25s are right up your alley. These suckers go for less than half the price of other premium choices out there, plus they're really comfy. The extra inserts that come included really help people like me who have small ears. Overall, pretty dang comfortable. Not too shabby there, Ray J. These earbuds are their newest and best ones yet, with 6 hours of playtime, easy pair Bluetooth, and even more bass. It gives you a nice compact design with a surprisingly effective noise isolating fit. It also comes in fun new colors with a charging bass stand. Be sure to click the link in the description to get 15% off your everyday E25 order from Raycon and to help support the EXO channels. These things are pretty damn decent. So let's get back into the bass. That's gonna be comfortable later, with the brush going through it. I can't tell you how many girlfriends I've had approach me at a show complaining about their boyfriend's huge bassism, hair looking like a disheveled bird's nest, any hair on your face, head, it doesn't matter. If it's more than a few inches, it's gonna be a bad hair day. See what I'm talking about? Even us guys get whipped around pretty dang good. Got that beard flex on lock, all a part of the good times, and that's exactly what this is all about, having a good time. But unfortunately, there are some people that aren't fully versed in the community, and they get all high and mighty when they see kids kind of around the scene, and they want to say that, oh, this is, bad, bad, bad. But to be honest, this type of, these surroundings are pretty welcoming to all age groups, but of course there is a threshold of frequency and volume that nobody should cross with certain age groups. People are more apt to get hearing damage from power tools or motorcycles than these extremely low-tuned bass systems. So in my book, low-bass SPL fun is fun for everyone. What do you guys have to say about that? Pretty sweet setup, huh, fellas? Always changing, always upgrading. That's Jared Gibson for you. So if you want to check out more of his videos that we posted in the past, check out the videos that we linked in the description. His system is always a head turner. Now let's congratulate the big winners to our G2 Dynamics Extravaganza. Edward from California and Joel from Texas. Edward says, just wanted to say thank you so much for choosing me for the giveaway. I literally was jumping for joy as I read your reply, and I still can't believe I won. God, heck yeah, man. Thank you for giving back to the community with giveaways like these, but even more, thank you for lighting a spark in me to continue my journey through this hobby and hopefully pass it on to my kids and inspire many others along the way. Holy crap, what a great feeling and what a great response, because half the time when I do these giveaways, I never hear back from the person again. So this was a great result, and what an inspiring result at that. And our buddy Joel says, I'm so excited, still can't believe it. Thanks a lot, man. I don't know what to say. Thanks. Well, you don't have to say anything, man. I just appreciate you guys watching the videos and spreading the good word. But to be completely honest, these types of things are kind of bittersweet for me. Call me too sensitive, whatever. I get kind of sad not being able to give to everybody. And I know that would be insane to expect with 500,000 people who watch that video, but still, reading you guys' awesome comments, critiques, insights, and insults, it still makes me want to just give every last one of you something from me. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for interacting with me here. You guys are the best. So until the next video, stay loud and stay proud. This is EXO signing out.